Hey everyone, it's Adele and April from Just Say Scrap with Close to My Heart, and we are here with Throw It Together Thursday number 10. So,
wow, 10 months, wow.
Yeah, I think it's actually 11 months, but we didn't do anything in December when we did organizers, but because it was just organizers. But yeah.
You throw them together, but then you break them, huh?
Unless you did the design travel case.
Well, that's true.
Okay, so back to Throw It Together Thursday. So we are going to be finishing up our story by Stacy.
So exciting.
And throwing that all together. So are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here
I
we
love
go.
this. I love this project. Thank you, Stacy, Julian.
All right, so let's get started on finishing our book. So if you have been with us this whole time, you've gone through the preparation, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and now we're going on to step 5. So put the album together. Crop the photos you will use to illustrate your memories into 4x4s, which we did the first day, squares. Pair the photos with the story cards and decide on the order you would like them to go in your album. Once you are ready to put the pages together, begin by sliding the title card into the front memory protector. Then add each story card and photo into the following pocket. When you get to the end of your album, finish it by putting the created by card in the last pocket. Creative tip: if you have any extra space in your album, you can mix the quote cards included in your kit or additional photos or memorabilia. We have gone ahead and we put in our title card and then our created by card, and we were going to fill in all of these gaps with you guys. So what we have here is we have a pile of our pictures and our writing. What do you want to say?
I just wanted to say that we will not be using those quote cards, but they're very cute.
Yes, we'll show them to you at the end.
We'll show them to you.
So as you can see, we have all of our stuff paired. And what we're going to do is, you're probably not going to see all of our things that I'm laying out here because it's just not big enough, because there's 18 cards here. But we're going to pick out what order we think our story will best be told. So ours isn't a story. Our isn't a story timeline because we have all of our things are different. But we are going to put it in an order that feels right to us.
Right. And in the beginning, we had told you that the journaling cards, that you have a total of 18 and that you could write on 9 of them as scrap, or, you know, like we did, we just wrote in our little booklet. We used the extra 9 journaling cards to put our pictures on. So we didn't have like true 4x4 pictures, so we mounted them on those.
You could
squares.
also use these too.
Yes, and you could also use those that come with the kit.
And that is it, our finished album. Woohoo!
Isn't it awesome?
So it's really cute. And then let's read step 6, because now we finished it. So step 6, share your story. The most important part of recording your memories is being able to tell your story. Your story starter album is now complete, and you're ready to share what you have created. Display your album at home or work, or give it as a gift to someone you love. Now that you are familiar with how easy it is to use the Story Starter album kit, create a whole collection of albums and continue to tell your story.
That's right. Get those pictures off your phones and in an album that everybody could see.
Yep. All right. And that is Throw It Together Thursday. We hope you've enjoyed this whole Stories by Stacy, and make sure you keep watching because there's new stuff coming out in
Very
September.
Oh,
So,
September, yes.
Still soon. Don't worry. It's not that far away. Put it on your calendars, September. So, all right. We'll see you next Tuesday.
Bye. Hey everyone! To tell an April.
Free time.